Oh, it's finally morning. Oh, I should probably get ready for my trip. Okay, I'm going to brush my teeth. Well, it kind of looks like I'm brushing my eyes. Okay, and I'm gonna wash my hands. Use some mouthwash. Alright. Now I should probably get ready. Okay, I'm gonna get ready. Alright, I'm all done. Now let's check here. Let me just get my suitcase. Okay, got my suitcase. Now, okay. Oh, wait. Alright. Now I'm gonna go downstairs and make myself some breakfast. I'm very hungry. Let's see. Nope. Oh, my cake from yesterday with my friends out. Okay. Is there anything in here? No. I'll just throw stuff. Cups there. Okay, let's check in the fridge. Okay. Let's see the options. Oh, some pancakes would be really good. I'm going to get some pancakes. Alright. That was very good. Okay, last bite. Okay, I'm all done. Now I'm going to go downstairs and it's time to say goodbye for a few days. Okay. Okay, I have the car lift here. Now I'm going to just put my suitcase in the back. Okay, I'll load it. Now I'm going to put it up and I'm ready to go. Oh, wait, why am I lowering it? Oh, wait, come back. Oh, this is wasting my time. Okay. I hope I'm not late. I gotta go. I had to get there I had to get there 2 hours prior. Okay. Hopefully I'm not late. Let's check the map and see where to go. Doesn't say here. Let me park on the side right here. Not there. It just shows everyone's houses. Don't see it. Okay. I'm not probably just gonna follow the way. Okay, I'm gonna follow the way and see if I do see it. Oh wait, there it is right there. Alright. I'm gonna go here. Trying to be as careful as I can because this is a a small area. Well, not really, but like I want to be careful. Okay. Ding. Okay. Now I'm gonna leave my car here. Okay, I just have to throw my cup away. We're going to Aspen Ski Resort.
All passengers departing for the flight to
He leaves soon,
please make your way to the
so I have to
gate
buy my ticket.
board the airplane.
Bora Bora is already leaving.
Thank you for flying with
Okay,
Light
Aspen Ski Resort. The gate closes in 183 seconds. Oh no, I gotta go. Okay. Okay, I passed through security. Now let's go up.
passengers departing
Oh, can this thing go any slower?
Aspen Ski Resort. Please make your way to the gate
Okay.
board the airplane.
Ooh, I'm boarding right now. Okay, I have to go. Okay. Okay, we made it safely on the plane and early. Okay, I can sit. Oh, it's first class. Didn't buy that, so I guess I'll just go here. Now I can sit back and relax. Okay. I think I had my boba in my backpack, so I'll just get that. Oh, there it is. That is some nice boba.
The captain has turned on the seatbelt sign. Please take a seat.
Oh, I think we're flying now. I can already hear the sign. I can already hear the plane going. Okay, guys, I'm gonna see you after the flight. I'll see you guys at Aspen Ski Resort. Bye, guys. I'll see you guys there. We made it to Aspen Ski Resort. Now let me get my rental car. Okay, I rented, oh, here it is. I rented this SUV car. Now let's go to my, oh, I crashed into the ice. Very snowy here. And it's December, so it's gonna be cold. Okay, oh, there's a free cabin. There's the cabin right there. The one I booked. Okay, I'm gonna get this apartment. All right, I got it. Oh, I thought this. Oh, never mind, she left. Okay. Oh, why do I keep crashing into the ice? Okay, let me just park my car here. Or I'll just maybe I can lock my car. Oh, someone's at my door. Who's this? Okay, I'm just gonna go in. Hey, girl, you cannot just bargain in my house like that. Girl, get out of here. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna go change so we can go skiing. Alright, I'm all done. I have my warm clothes, my beanie. So let's go. Oh, I think it's over here. We have to climb all the way up. I wonder why there's a bus here. I mean, I know there's gonna be people coming down from here, but we can just dodge them. So it's okay. Oh shoot. Ah! Okay. I'm good. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go through here. Okay. First of all, I'm gonna go down this hill. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Whee! Oh yeah. Oh, dodge the bus. Dodge the bus. Yes. Woo, that was fun. Okay. Now I have to go all the way back up. And we're gonna try the sky lift. Or the ski lift. I forgot what it was called. Okay, so I'm almost there. Right now I just see the benches. Oh, there's an available one right there. Okay, I'm gonna go on this one over here. Alright. Oh, it was pretty fast. Kind of slow and a little fast. Well, that one's going fast. Okay, now I'm going a little fast. But this is so fun. I can just see all the nice trees with snow. Alright. I think it ends here, so I'll just get off. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm good. Okay, now I'm going pretty fast up. Okay, this is really fun. Now I can see more nature. Oh, wow. The snow on the trees is just phenomenal. Okay, now from the other side, it looks really fast. And this side is kind of fast. Kind of. Oh, there's someone ringing on my doorbell. Okay, let me just check it out. I just want to enjoy my coffee. Let me check it out. Look, that kid. You can... Literally, it just showed a kid. Why is there a kid? Look, I'll show you guys again. I'm sorry, but whose kid is this? Someone needs to come go get their kid. Okay, now she's gone. Okay. Whose kid is this? Someone go get their... If some kid is at my house, go get their kid. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna forget about it. I feel like they're gonna ask me to adopt me. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna throw my cup away. Okay. Now, it's getting pretty cold. Let's look at the view. The view is phenomenal from here. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now... Oh, I got a snap. Oh, okay. Well, anyways, let's go back home. I made it back to the hut, and it's getting pretty cold, so I'm gonna go and change in here. I changed in my warm pajamas. I know it's not friendify. Oh, I know it's not warm clothes, but I am near the fire. And I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna make myself something to eat. It's not much here. Well, I guess I'll have a parfait. It's nice and healthy. Love it. Let me find something. No, I don't want it. Okay, this is okay. I'll watch this. Ooh, it's really good. It's made with blueberries, bananas, and strawberries. And I don't know what the base is, but it's very good. Okay. Ooh, okay. I'm kind of full now. Now I'm gonna go. I think it's time for an upstairs tour. Oh, we got a sofa and we got beds here. We got a checkers table too. We have another room here, and it has a balcony. I think I'll check it out. It's beautiful. Let's sit back and relax. It's getting kind of cold. I think I'm gonna go back inside. Oh, okay, let me go. Ah, okay. Someone at my door? Huh. Why are they at my house? Oh, nah, they're trying to rob me or something. I feel like everyone in the server just really wants the first house. Ugh, these people got away. Guys, the power just went out and I only have the fire on. Oh my gosh, and it's very cold. Oh, I need to put on my jacket or my sweater. Oh my goodness. Why is it so cold? Oh my god. I think there was like a snowstorm earlier and it caused a power outage. Okay, this is gonna have to do. Ugh, it was super cold and I hear really bad rain noises outside. Ah, it's crashing in. Oh my gosh. What do? I think I'm just gonna stay here by the fire. Ugh. Maybe I'll just go. Ugh. Okay, maybe I can just go upstairs or something. I only have the lamps on. This won't turn on. Ugh, it looks so cold outside. Maybe I can get into bed? Yeah, I'm gonna get into bed. Oh, it still feels cold. Oh, maybe I can turn on my lamp. Okay, yeah, it's too cold. I'm gonna stay here. Ding, ding, ding. The light, it turned back on. Oh, thank goodness. But the snowstorm is still there. It gave a big crash in there. Maybe I'll keep my lamp on or something. Oh, it's nice and warm. I think I'm gonna be going to bed, so I'll turn off the light. Oh, good night, guys.